Greetings and salutations from central Louisiana, just a few miles west of Dry Prong. It is a hot and somewhat muggy day here in central Louisiana, and I'm trying to see if I can get this Ford Jubilee tractor to kick off and run. It has sputtered at me several times, so let's see what we can get it to do. We're getting there. Shot, and I don't know about the oil pressure, so. Okay, so it'll run on full choke, which tells me the carb settings are not quite right. I'll have to go back in and read my documentation to get the exact carb setting on it. But it's better than it was. It still ain't there, but it's better than it was.